We just installed 2 solar attic fans on this Ormond Beach home. We're going to jump up on the roof and take a look at the installation. We installed 2 attic fans, solar attic fans on this home. It's a ranch style house, so it's longer. A lot of homes can get away with just 1 attic fan. This home needed 2 because of the length of it to adequately vent both sides of the home. We went with a attic fan that has the solar panel built into the top unit. Nice clean look, all black, marine grade aluminum, powder coated. It's a 48 watt, up to 2,500 square feet rated per attic fan. So we're a little oversized for the home, but we like to oversize them some. We get more CFM, cubic feet per minute, coming out of the attic, better airflow, better performance with the attic fans. We got a nice clean install that the guys do. First time taking a look at it. Crew didn't even know that we were going to come out here and take a look at it. Not a lot of sealant on the roof, although all sealed up. These attic fan units are actually made to retrofit, install on a pre-existing shingle roof. They do have variants for metal and tile, a little more complicated. We use a 50-year roof sealant. Nice clean install from us. Goes up underneath the shingles. The units have a built-in flashing that prevents any type of leakage or water intrusion into the attic or the living space of the home. Water sheds around the unit. We cut our penetration with around 13 inches in between the trusses, so we're not going into any structural trusses, just through the decking, retrofitting ventilation into the existing home, which is going to help with the shingle roof over the lifespan of it. It also, and primarily in the summer months, helps the AC cool off at night and get the house to temperature and turn off, so your cooling costs go down with these units. If you're interested in an estimate on a solar attic fan installation, please call Wayne Solar. Happy to give you an estimate to discuss the project with you.